How can a business reduce its collections by 82%? Just ask Delaware Business Inc. Delaware Business Incorporators, or DBI, provides products and services for LLC and corporation formations, corporate kits and supplies, virtual offices, and UCC search and filing. When the company experienced their first major growth stage, they knew that they needed a business management software to help them keep up. Initially, they went with NetSuite, and everything was great. For a while. But then NetSuite increased their prices, and DBI realized that they were paying more for software with less functionality. They needed to make a shift. Their ideal system had built-in accounting, responsive customer support, centralized documentation, all at an affordable rate. They began their search in 2019, but quickly realized that programs that had the features that fit the bill often came with a big price tag. And they often found that customer service left a lot to be desired. Then, they found Striven. Striven fit the bill for their functional requirements and provided fantastic customer service. And because DBI was being onboarded during the pandemic, they needed that extra attention to detail and the quick responsiveness that the Striven team could provide. With their data successfully imported into Striven, DBI had what they called a better cloud-based package, and it was more cost-effective. And Striven's customer portal allowed for DBI to make some adjustments to their business processes. Using Striven's collection workflow and an integrated multi-touch email campaign, DBI was able to reduce outstanding collections by 82% after just 6 months of being on Striven. And in addition to that, they now have a flexible ERP that fits their specific needs. DBI's operations director and VP had this to say: "I've evaluated almost all of the ERPs and CRMs out there, and Striven serves small business in a way that's not being fulfilled by more traditional systems. The small business community needs Striven." Check out the link below and start your own Striven success story today.